Wahgwaaaaan YouTube. You don't know, Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another vlog. Today is Vlogmas Day 22. Yes, guys, and I'm not really doing nothing much today right now. My mom has an influx of orders for Christmas Eve, so we are just getting, you know, everything sorted out. So I have icing duty today because I have to decorate the cake. She feels like I'm very artistic, so I could be the one to decorate cake. So I'm gonna just kind of help her prepare and cut out the parchment paper so that everything is okay. So let's go do that. Back with the blue book again. Trying to make sure that everything is sorted out, because if my mother don't have me if I organize everything, I don't know what my mother do. So I don't know what she would do. I have to organize and make sure everything runs smooth. Right? I'm the director in charge. Alright, Tasha, you're doing well. Kedra on the wrapping, Laxine on the baking, and Lashik is just the director in charge. Whoa, guys, we got some cakes being prepped for icing. We have, it's a baking shop, they no most expect to bake. We have the rum being sprayed on the cakes. Yeah? Everybody's doing something. Here is this, and I told you guys that I'm gonna cut some sheets for the baking pan. So Miss Nick Snacks, can you just let me know the size pans that I need to cut for and what you already have? And did you use all of the ones that me and Kedra? African movies. Guys, this is the mixed fruits. These are like the raisins and stuff that we put inside, and it gets, you know, blended up, and we put it in our black cake. Two of them, right?
After me, do the other one.
I'm just gonna ask you a couple questions. So when you make like your batter, do you know how much you're making it for, or do you just make a bunch and you just fill the pans? Like, how do you do it?
Just make a batch and fill the pan.
Also, but you have like your measurements, and it's just whatever fills what you just fill the pan. Because guys, every time I see my mom making cake, she just always use this pan and just I guess she just fills the pan. She doesn't really have a amount that, you know, but she does have a specific measurement to create this lovely batter. But alright, and how long have you been doing this? She's shy, guys. How long have you been making cake?
20 years.
20 years, wow. And it's been 2 years that she has been in business. 2 years? From 2018?
Okay.
No, but you've been in business, like actual business, for 2 years now. Yeah, guys. Just one more brownie. Guys, this is the icing that we're gonna put on the cakes. I wasn't here when she made it, but as I told you guys, these are the cakes that she's gonna be prepping. And the stuff went in the oven. I'm gonna never show it to no guys. Guys, check out my new necklaces that are in. So nice. I just got the shipment, so about to put them on my website, and yeah. The icing and creation, guys. You see how nice and fluffy it is? This is what we call royal icing, so it hardens on the cake. It's not like buttercream that stays moist and wet. Icing has begun. Well, it already started. They've iced in 3 already, and then the decoration process will happen. Do you enjoy doing this? Yeah?
Of course I do.
Yes. And this one is just being fixed. Yeah, guys, this is the icing. I am gonna turn it purple. And I have this purple food coloring. I'm just gonna put 5 drops for now. And then I'm just gonna spin it. I don't want to use that. Red. So what I like to do is I like to take a toothpick, guys, and just, I'm gonna show you guys. So I kind of spread it like this before I really mix it in. It's just something I always see my mom doing. But you see how pretty this purple, it's very intense, but once it mixes out, it's gonna be lighter. Okay guys, so I got the purple. See? So I'm gonna decorate the cake with purple. So this is my nice little pipe, and I'm gonna pipe the cakes now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek, and then that's it. I'm gonna end off the vlog right after then. So yeah guys. Woo. My mom's just so annoyed. She says I tape everything, but me no business, guys. You no love watch me, so giving you guys content, right? Oh, okay, so I'm gonna decorate this 9-inch cake. This is not gonna be a Christmas cake, it's gonna be a birthday cake. It's gonna be a birthday cake, so that's why it's in purple. We normally do red and green for the holidays, but yeah, a purple, I will do it. So this is just me doing a simple piping style. So I just go so, just like that, just like that. You guys see that? Guys, so they got, that's what I'm doing, that's what I did. I'm not that great with writing, but I just did something. Yeah. Guys, so I'm ending off the vlog right here. Everybody is trying something, everybody's trying to decorate so we can get the process to go on quicker. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, stay tuned for Vlogmas day 23.